Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is TrueBoy208. If you are first in my YouTube channel, please guys consider subscribing, liking and sharing my videos. Also leave a sweet comment guys so that you can support this village boy TrueBoy208 over here. So I come live from home. This is my home actually, and this is my room. You can see that I'm in my bed. Yeah, just relaxing. Yesterday I had okay, on today's video, like it's breaking news by the way, which I never expected made. It was just an accident. That's why you can see that I'm just on my bed guys. So as you can see over here, try to hold me this camera please. So yes, so as you can see here that like I had an accident yesterday. Can see over here. I had an accident. I was on a motorbike, so suddenly let's try it first. You can see over here. These are some accident, but it's external injuries, and maybe I don't know whether you can see it here clearly. I don't know. So this is the another injury over here, but I thank God because I was not that much hurt, maybe internally, but it's just hey, this is we are cleaning the wounds over here. You can see over here. So guys, it's very sad for me. Maybe that's why I'm not in Brunei Travelers Mansion or Villa Caribbean there, because yeah. So it's very painful. It's very painful. Wait, slowly, but slowly. Wipe it slowly. Oh my goodness. Is it okay? On the other side, on this side. Try to wipe this side. Slowly. Hey, it's very painful guys. Very painful, but sometimes inabidi tu sasa tufanyaje. Okay, I think these are warm water plus salt inside. So we are trying to clean this place so that I can apply, maybe I can apply the medicine, no? Yes, I have to clean it for it to be very clean, so that when I place or when I apply medicine, there will be no like because I don't know whether you can see it. I don't know whether you can see it clearly. Guns. Yes guys, so show me love. No. Even my hand is tired. Even my hand is tired. Slowly. What do you think about this? Maybe is it necessary to use maybe warm water plus salt to clean wounds? I don't know whether, but I think that's the best way maybe to clean wounds. So no. Oh my goodness. Very painful, guy. Slowly. Was it that? Let me see. No. Don't worry, I'll be okay, you know. Goes. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. This is my home. This is my home now. You can see, to those who maybe have not watched my previous videos, this is my home. Yes, this is my home. I come live from home with lots of injuries over here, but I thank God. No internal injuries. Yes. So let's go, guys. Yo, man. I don't know whether you remember this motorbike. We used to travel using this motorbike. It's a Honda. And sometimes back we used to use it. So yes, keep supporting your village boy over here, and we really appreciate, you know. Wow, there was a lot of cleanness, you know. When I was sleeping at night, some blood flowed to this bed sheet, so that's why you can see they cleaned it. Yeah, let me sit over here under this shade and see how everything is. Yes, I don't know whether you know this kind of trees. This is the one that gives us shade. Around. Yes, put them there. Yes, so, and also I had a visitor here. My brother has came to visit me and see how I'm doing. So bro, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself so that maybe my subscribers can know you.
Yeah, my name is Charlie B.
Yes.
Yeah, Charlie Blackie. Yeah, and here I come to see my friends. Since I heard that he got an accident, then today I decided to rush here to see how he's doing. Yeah.
For sure, guys. So please, my subscribers, visit Charlie B YouTube channel, Charlie B Black YouTube channel. Show him love, show him keep supporting him. So yeah, that's how everything is. So I don't know whether you, yes, I don't know whether you saw it clear, but these the injuries that I got. These the injuries that I got. You can see here. And also, I don't know whether you can see it clearly. These the injuries that I got on my. So another one is this one. This one from the hand thief, no? And on this hand, I don't know whether you can see it clear. So yes, that's how everything is. Let me try to sit with my brother here. This is how everything is. So guys, show us love, support us here, True Boy and Charlie B. We come live from our home. This is our home, as I told you. This is our home. You can see over here. This is our home. But soon we are going to build mansions like other people. So yes, and it was I was from Bundian Travelers Mansion there, no, Villa Caribbean. I was heading to town. I was going to pick some of the. It was a no, it was a solar. I think, yeah, it was a solar. I was going to pick it from town. It was sent from our capital city here in Kenya, Nairobi. So I was going for it at the booking office. But when I was heading to town, Sirari, abruptly someone was crossing the road, and also he was on a motorbike, and he was also on a motorbike. So he was on a speed, and he was crossing the road. So I had no otherwise. I just hit him using my Caribbean Jet Bundian Travelers motorbike, and that's what led me to have some of the injuries that I've shown you. So it was unexpected for sure, it was unexpected, but to God's plan and God's love, I was not injured internally, but just only externally parts over here. Yeah, externally parts, and I think very soon I'm going to be okay, and I'll be resume helping my brother down here, there, Burundian Traveler. Also, guys, if you are from my channel and you haven't visited Burundian Traveler, please subscribe to him. Road to 50k subscribers. Show him love. He's a good brother of mine here, and I really appreciate for his love and support that he's always being in at me. So yes, that's the story. That maybe it was a heartbreak. No, it was a heartbreaking to my brother Burundian Traveler. And it was very sad news, because when I got an accident, I called him. I told him, bro, I've got an accident, and he took a few minutes, and he reached me to confirm whether I'm okay. But when he reached there, yeah, I was okay. I can walk, I can speak, and everything was okay. So he took me to the hospital for first aid. So he's a true brother, true friend that I will never maybe try to wrong him, no. So that's how it was. But my partner also was injured, and he went to hospital. He was the one that was injured most, because he was on a high speed, and so me, I tried to, to slow down, but he was on a speed that he cannot control it. So yes, so I was not capable of escaping that accident, because the man was on a speed, and that's why I'm telling you that he was the one who got a severe injury. Part of that, it was a severe injury. So yeah, I don't know how he's doing, because I don't know him. He's a strange person to me. And the good thing that it was that we were in the middle, we are the center of the town, you know. Those who have been to Silare, it was between Kehancha Junction and Border Point. I know you know those places. We have Border Point Junction and Kehancha Junction. So it was between that place. He was coming from Border Point Junction while I was going direct to the town over there to booking office. Yes. So guys, that's what I met yesterday. But true, you are planned for your loving. Sometimes prayers are very important. And when I told my mom that story, she was that shocked, but told me that I always pray for you, my son. I always pray for you. I pray for you, for the whole family and for your friends. That's why you can see you are somehow safe. No internal injuries, no internal bleeding. I'm very okay for sure. I'm very okay. It's only the external injuries. These ones, except these ones, So it's good to have external injuries. See, external injuries than internal one, because internal one, in case you are bleeding, you won't know whether you are bleeding or whatever. But I thank God because external parts injuries. Yes, that's how everything went. Let me try to apply now medicine, because I was cleaning them. So you can see now the wounds now looks dry. The place looks clean, so I can apply. You see now the process of healing has begun. You see how the skin is trying to. You can see how the skin is trying to stretch. This is the process of healing. The process of healing has begun. So yeah, show me love, guys. I love you all. Keep supporting me, and I really appreciate, guys. I have nothing to show you but just love and say thank you. Road to 1K subscribers, please, guys. Watch my videos to the end. Also, so don't leave this channel without subscribing. That's the best way you can support me, guys. So show me love, and I really appreciate. Take me to 1K subscribers maybe this month, by the end of this month, so that I can smile and I can say thank you to my subscribers. And so that I can really appreciate. I can really appreciate. I can dance when I reach 1,000 subscribers. I will dance. I'll be praising God, and I'll also praising you because you've made me to 1K subscribers, guys. So yeah, that's how everything is. But this leg was out of injuries. I wasn't involved in any injury, but the one which got injuries is this right one, and the right hand. The right hand. This one is the one that was involved in injuries. But I thank God because I'm safe. Yes, yeah, that's how everything is. So guys, let me end this video here. As I say, thank you for watching this amazing video. It was I know it's breaking news or sad news to you, my subscribers, my supporters, my lovely people. But that's how everything is. Accidents are always there. You never know what will. So you want to know what will happen, but by the end of the day, But sometimes when we are safe, by the end of the day, we say thank you, Lord, for taking care of us the whole day. Every daily we receive maybe breaking news that have got an accident using vehicles, aeroplanes, you know. So but as for me, it was a motorbike, guys. Motorbike by motorbike. So but don't worry, True Boy is okay. Your prayers very strong. Yes, so that's how it was. So guys, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing this amazing video, and show me love, spread love to me as you take me to 1K subscribers. And also my brother over here, can you say something, bro?
Okay.
Hello.
As I said earlier, I introduced myself earlier. My name is Charlie B. Yeah, name is Charlie B. Yeah, True Boy 208 is a good friend of mine.
Yes.
Yeah, I think that you guys just let us play for him to recover. Yeah, because there's some work he needs to do every day, but for now the work is just paused. Yeah. Yeah, he can't just continue with her daily routine because of this accident. Let's play for him. Yeah. Yeah, also please ensure that even if we play for him, ensure that if you are new to, if you see these channels, True Boy
208.
yeah 208, just please, as you pray, ensure that you subscribe, you comment, you share. Yeah, so that you share, because even players, you can add player plus subscription. Yeah, I think he will be in a good mood. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, that's how everything is. So please subscribe to my brother Charlie B Black, you know, and he will really appreciate, you know. Yes, so let me end this video here. I know it will be bad news to you, but I'm sorry, and also it's God's plan, you know. So let me say bye bye, bro.
Okay, bye guys.
We love you all.
Okay, bye.